Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today's October 27, 2025. And we actually ran the test for the upgrade to Cosmos SDK last week. We've been running it for a couple of days now, and we're ready to upgrade. We'll be proposing today for the testnet, and then we'll let you guys know when mainnet is ready. And with that, yeah, Spuddy, what are you up to today?
Today I will be trying to fix the snapshotter and just kind of like checking all kinds of ops. Need to make some instances bigger because one of the problems I kind of discovered over the weekend was that the snapshots are getting really, really big for Palmetto whenever we do a state sync. The one I'm doing right now is at 95 gigabytes. Which is like, it seems like it's too big of a jump. So I'm gonna hopefully the next one will be smaller. Like maybe it was just a really old trust tight or something. But and then I'm gonna work on my installer that we talked about last week too.
Caleb.
I've also been running the update and upgrading the security on one of our nodes that we're running, which has been working great. Well, actually, it wasn't. I had upgraded the node to use Cosmovisor, and in doing that, I forgot to add the line to the service file that caps the RAM that layer is using. And for some reason, if you don't cap it, it just decides it's going to use absolutely everything. So it was maxing out on RAM, which was causing one of the like IO writers to just hang and bring the network down. Now that that's limited, it hasn't gone down again. I've been working on using the indexer as a source for the block explorer. That's still coming along. I didn't really get to do much of that on Friday with the security and DevOps stuff, but still made some progress there and hoping to finish that up.
All right, Dan.
Working on redoing the SFRX USD price in the reporter daemon. And then once I finish that, I'll go back to the LVM.
All right, Akram.
The indexer went down on Saturday for the testnet. I think it was maybe not enough resources at the time, but it didn't restart like I expected it to. So I'm going to add some systemd files to make it restart whenever that happens. And the relayer, I guess give that a try.
All right, Tim.
I'm getting my own layer node for mainnet set up on AWS. I had that on my to-do list like a week or two ago, but then there was a temporary fix where Caleb sent me another RPC, but it's time to get that up and running and then switch over all my monitors to use that locally with our other RPC as backup. That'll be probably today, and then I'll be doing those for the relayer as well, probably tomorrow or later this week.
Ryan.
Yeah, I'm going to be working on updating the challenge site and the no stake reporting site for the Dev Connect challenge we're going to be doing. Yeah, so that's like in a couple weeks. So just want to make sure that process is nice and seamless. And then I'm still working on the content stuff that I was working on last week.
And you posted some on your X, right?
Yes. I'm dripping some of the content out on my personal Twitter, and then I'll filter them out to the main Tellor account as well.
Right, so if you guys are listening, go look at Ryan's creations and like them so that we know what you guys like.
Rain_Tellor, RAYN.
So one of the users asked for if there's like a standard place to look at like data definitions and kind of like whether it's a market rate or a fundamental oracle. I know we have the data specs, but it doesn't necessarily even specify those things. Like, and we also have like the ratings, right? Like I was wondering like if there would be, maybe you can think up like what would be like a more robust thing, like for each data feed, it would say like a rating, the more of the data definition, whether it's a market or a fundamental, something like that, just so people can look at it.
Anything else, Nick?
No, I'm testing out some of the docs.
All right, then we'll see you guys next week.